Mixing timeless aesthetics with a Chevy small block and a massaged 700 R4 4-speed, this 55 Bel Air was built to provide a lifetime of memories. And if you've been searching for a striking Chevy showpiece, but want something that's a heck of a lot more fun than a restored to original car, it's a do-anything cruiser that simply cannot be beat. This awesome 55 is definitely built for keeps. From casual glances to long looks, the car exudes a sense of quality that comes from countless hours of work and serious credit card bills. With straight panels and impressive panel fitment, its body uses a classic combination of gypsy red and shoreline beige to set the standard for what to expect from the rest of the build. And overall, this slick resto mod is right at home turning heads on the road or logging points at the show. Not to be outdone by the car's head-turning paint, this Bel Air's interior is a soothing study in shades of contrast. All passengers enjoy bench seats, while front passengers are secured with 3-point seat belts. A dual-cowl dash stretches bow-tie stamped stainless around modern audio and factory gauges. Sliders for climate control migrate toward odometer accessory gauges and an XM satellite receiver. And the driver navigates the boulevard through an ornate steering wheel on a tilting column. Mounted in a satin black engine bay is a proven 350 cubic inch Chevy small block. Upgraded with the usual suspects like an Edelbrock intake, carburetor, and comp cam, the small block sends power to a 700 R4 4-speed auto, back to a 12-bolt with posi traction and 330 gears. The Bel Air is an American icon, and the sharp Chevy puts a fresh spin on familiar lust. If you're looking for a fully sorted classic that's comfortable, fulfilling, and aesthetically striking, this cool Tri-5 is your hot ticket. For more information, call, click, or visit arcademotors.com.